with a passion to serve the people. Dr. Maisel Amprian Lingdor has been elected as a member of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly for 4 consecutive terms. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of our MLAs from Nongstoin and Pyndengrei, Sri Gabriel Walang and Sri Remington G. Momin. West Hills District Nongstoin and the Superintendent of Police of Nongstoin, Sri B.D. Marat, IPS. And marching on the platoon number 2 taking salute.
But MLP Battalion, Sopian Nongstoin, led by ABASI Suresh Singh.
Taking the salute now.
Higher Secondary School, Pyndengrei. And the contingent is being led by Mr. Daniel L. Marshall.
High Secondary School, Pyndengrei, Scouts and Guides, led by Mr. Stevenson Marthong with a total
by Mr. Hanborlang Harbani.
Here taking the salute is Presbyterian High Secondary School from Sydney, parade contingent number 8.
Nongstoin. The contingent is led by Ms. Pyndengrei.
This is the race contingent number 10.
The contingent is commanded by Mr. Stephen Marvinian.
And here is parade contingent number 12, St. Peter's High Secondary School, Pyndengrei, led by Mr. Barry Evans Lincoln with a total strength of 23.
Musulman. The contingent has a total strength of 27.
Led by Miss Happy Bankinma Wanyam Youth, who will be giving us, who will be addressing this gathering shortly.